Myself Nidheesh. I'm working as an application engineer at ANCA CNC Machine. Here I am introducing CPX linear machine, which is best in the market for blank preparation. CPX linear is the best productive machine which is available for blank preparation. Here we are using the method called pinch peel grinding. We built a 43 kilowatt high spindle which is capable for high material removal rate and reduce your cycle time up to 30%. Here we can grind a diameter range from 0.1 to 32 mm. So we are offering loader support which can auto load the tools without a man, and we are offering an option called flip station where you want to do double-ended tools, and for long tools we are supporting with the tailstock. Even you can compensate your diameter by using an Marpos gauge.